Hey, third grade, today you are going to be completing an escape room, all right? So you are trying to escape from Emoji Island. You and your classmates were headed on a field trip when your boat capsized on what seemed to be a deserted island. The adults were nowhere to be found. It wasn't long before you and your classmates realized that this wasn't a deserted island. Its inhabitants were emojis, and their leader was not a friendly guy. That brings us to now. You and your classmates are about to embark on a race to solve the puzzles and the clues that the emojis throw at you. Only one team will make it off Emoji Island. Will it be yours? Okay, so I am going to walk you through the directions on how to complete this escape room, okay? So in your Google Classroom, you're going to have 5 different challenges. And then you have a Google form. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up challenge 1. Challenge 1, you're going to put a box around the correct answer for each problem, then use the letters to spell the code word. Okay? So you're going to find the answer for 10 times 8, and you're going to move this red box over the correct answer. So it's either 880 or 8. 21 times 4, 86 times 8, 45 times 3, 100 times 4, 9 divided by 3, okay, and so on and so on and so on. All of these, all right? There are 10 different ones that you're going to solve, and then you're going to take all of those letters and plug them in order in these boxes here. So you're going to start with box number 1. Whatever your answer was, you're going to go down and you're going to type that in the first box. And then question 2, question 3, so on, okay? When you get this code word, you're going to plug it into your Google form. So, what is the code word? So this is challenge 1. What is the code word? You put it in there. When you get that code word, okay, it's going to take you to the challenge 2 starter. Your code word needs to be all lowercase. Okay, that's really important, all lowercase. Then you're going to go to challenge number 2 starter. Challenge number 2 is next. Solve to gain access. The Emoji King sends Angry Emoji to fetch dinner at 5:15 p.m. Angry Emoji returns at 6 p.m. How long did it take for Angry Emoji to get dinner? You're going to type your answer. Okay, it's a specific number of minutes. When you get that answer, it takes you to challenge number 2. Okay, so I'm going to go back to, then I'm going to go to challenge number 2. Identify the time on each clock. Write the time by putting one number in each box. Once you're done, put the numbers in the green highlighted boxes in order to get the number code. So you're going to put this time in these boxes. This time in these boxes. This time in these boxes, okay? There's only 5 times for you to figure out. And then you're going to put the time. Then you're going to take this highlighted box. All right? You're going to take this highlighted box on number 1 and you're going to put it in slot number 1. This highlighted box in number 2, you're going to put it in slot number 2. Highlighted box in number 3, you're going to put it in slot number 3. Highlighted box in number 4, you're going to put it in highlighted box, this first one, you're going to put it in slot 4. And then this one, you're going to put in slot 5. All right? And then when you do that, you're going to go back to your Google form and you're going to type your answer here. What is the answer? You type those numbers and it's going to take you to challenge 3 starter. Challenge 3 is next. You're going to solve this to gain access. Okay? This is 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3. You're figuring out what 6 times 4 is. 6 times 5, 6 times 6, 6 times 7, 6 times 8, 6 times 9, 10, 11, and 12. You're figuring out what 6 times 4 is. You type your answer, and it takes you to challenge number 3. All right, it takes you to challenge number 3. Solve each problem. Once you do, put your answers and the emoji that goes with the problem in order from least to greatest to make the emoji pattern. Then answer the question about the emoji pattern in the form. So you're going to type your answer here. Type your answer here. You're solving these addition and subtraction problems. And then you're going to put them in order from least to greatest. So these numbers in order from least to greatest. And you're going to move your emojis over according to what emoji goes. So if that's the first one, you're going to move that emoji there. All right? Remember, and then you're going to type the number that corresponds with that emoji, and you're putting them in order from least to greatest, okay? Then you're going to go to your Google form. Which emoji is third in the code, and you're going to type the number, your answer that you got with that one. So 1, 2, 3, whatever number you got right here is what you're going to type in your Google form. When you get that Google form, it's going to take you to number 4, starter. What challenge is next? Solve to gain access. What is this fraction? Don't include any spaces. What is this fraction being represented? When you answer that question, it's going to take you to challenge number 4. So you're going to open up challenge number 4. Solve each problem and type the answer on each slide. Once you're done, unscramble the code word by dragging the letter with the answer on it over the blank puzzle piece labeled with the problem number. So what is this area? What is that area? That area, that area, and that area. Okay, problem number 1, whatever the area was for problem number 1, and you have them here, 16, 15, 22, 5, 4, 6, 9. You're going to drag that piece and put it there. Problem number 2, whatever the area was for problem number 2, you're going to drag that letter and put it over there. The areas are the little small numbers at the top, and then it's going to create a word. You're going to take that word and plug it into your challenge number 4. Challenge number 5, starter. Challenge number 5 is next. What is the perimeter of this rectangle? All right, so you're going to answer that one. And then you're going to go to challenge number 5. Solve each problem. Use the numerical answer to find the correct letter on the emoji key. Write the letter in the box next to the answer. Once you've solved all the problems, unscramble the letters to find the word clue. Your answer, letter from emoji key. Okay, so 80 minus 71. Here's your key, sorry. Okay, 80 minus 71, whatever that answer is, you're going to find it here in whatever letter. So if that answer is 3, you would, and it's not 3, I'm just giving you an example. If 80 minus 71 was 3, you would type your answer 3, letter from the emoji key, and the emoji key says letter C, so that's what you would type right there, okay? Then you're going to unscramble your letters. Then you're going to go back to your Google form, and what is the answer? Okay, what is the code word? You guys do not have to use these links that are given to you because I've already assigned each challenge to you in a Google slide for your own use. Okay, and then you just finish out the problem, and then hopefully you escaped your escape room. Okay, so if you guys are needing help, please send me a message. Please feel free to have your parents or grandparents, cousins, aunts, or uncles to help you do this. Again, you have 2 days to complete this because I know that this is a lot. So my encouragement is don't fill out the Google form until you're done with all of your slides. If not, if you have to come back to this on Tuesday, you're going to have to re-enter everything in your Google form. So complete your challenges, get your answers, and then go try to plug it into your Google form when you're done. And you may have to go back and make some changes if you got some answers incorrect. You have 2 days to do this. So this is what we're doing on Friday, May 28th. And then this is what we are doing on June 2nd, or June 1st. Sorry, Friday, May 28th, and then Tuesday, June 1st. This is what we're doing for both of those days.